Hello everyone. আজি কেইটামান synonyms অৰ্থাৎ সমাৰ্থক শব্দ লৈ আহিছো আপোনালোকৰ মাজত। সমাৰ্থক শব্দ অৰ্থাৎ synonym আমাৰ পৰীক্ষাত অহা দেখা যায়। সো আপোনালোকৰ মাজত কেইটামান লৈ আহিছো। সো ভিডিওটো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ চাব আৰু আপোনালোকে যদি প্ৰথম চাই আছে তেতিয়া হলে পেজটো ফলো কৰি ল'ব, লগতে এটা ভিডিও শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব। সো আহক কি কোৱেশ্চন আছে আমি আলোচনা কৰো। প্ৰথম আছে The guests were offended by his uncouth behavior. Uncouthৰ সমাৰ্থক শব্দ কি অৰ্থাৎ synonym কি? মই অপচন কেইটা পঢ়ি নিদিও, আপোনালোকে পঢ়ি ল'ব, মই কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰ কৰি যাম। সো কি হ'ব? uncouthৰ সমাৰ্থক শব্দ অৰ্থাৎ synonym কি হ'ব? The guests were offended by his uncouth behavior. কি হ'ব ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰ? Correct answer hobo option number 4. Manot rakhibo ungracious hobo correct answer uncouthor. Manot rakhibo uncouthor homarthok shobdo hobo ungracious. Manot rakhibo. Number 2 ase the pianist played the tune with Barbie. Barbie synonym ki hobo? The pianist played the tune with Barbie. Barbie কি হ'ব synonym কি হ'ব? কি হ'ব correct answer? ইয়াৰে correct answer হ'ব Barbie synonym হ'ব enthusiasm. মনত ৰাখিব option number 1 হ'ব। enthusiasm হ'ব correct answer. মনত ৰাখিব। Question number 3 আছে it is possible that printed books will soon become obsolete. Obsolete synonym কি হ'ব? Comment obsolete কি হ'ব? synonym কি হ'ব? অপচন কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব আপোনালোকে। ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ কি হ'ব? ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব অপচন নম্বৰ 4 আউট অফ ডেট। মনত ৰাখিব obsolete কি হ'ব? synonym হ'ব আউট অফ ডেট, obsolete। মনত ৰাখিব। Question number 4 আছে we should emulate the examples of our teacher. We should emulate the example of our teacher. কি হ'ব? emulator synonym কি হ'ব? সমাৰ্থক শব্দ কি হ'ব? অপচন কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব আপোনালোকে। ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হ'ব we should emulate the example of our teacher. emulator সমাৰ্থক শব্দ হ'ব অপচন নম্বৰ 4 imitate. মনত ৰাখিব imitate। Question number 5 আছে as he is prudent he will be successful in his life. prudent or সমাৰ্থক শব্দ কি হ'ব? synonym কি হ'ব? prudent or অপচন কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব। কি হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ? prudent। অপচন নম্বৰ 4 হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ careful। মনত ৰাখিব কেয়াৰফুল হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ। অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি এটা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব ভিডিওটো আৰু পেজটো যদি ফলো কৰা নাই ফলো কৰি ল'ব। Question number 6 আছে he felt incensed at the way he was treated. কি হ'ব কাৰেক্ট অপচন কেইটা আছে আপোনালোকে পঢ়ি ল'ব। he felt incensed at the way he was treated. কি হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ? ইয়াৰে কাৰেক্ট হ'ব অপচন নম্বৰ 3 angry. angry হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ। মনত ৰাখিব he felt incensed at the way he was treated. incensed or কি হ'ব? synonym হ'ব angry. মনত ৰাখিব। Question number 7 আছে officers responsible for the abortive cough were punished. abortive cough were punished. কি হ'ব ইয়াৰ synonym কি হ'ব? অপচন কেইটা পঢ়ি লওক। officer responsible for the abortive cough were punished. ইয়াৰে অপচন নম্বৰ 3 হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ unsuccessful. মনত ৰাখিব abortive or synonym hobo unsuccessful. Question number 8 ase he never recovered from the loss of his wife. Ki hobo? He never recovered from the loss of his wife. Here correct answer ki hobo? He never recovered from the loss of his wife. Recover from our synonym hobo got right. Mount rakhibo got right. Sorry, got right. Option number 4 hobo correct answer. Question number 9 says the poor man stood aghast at the display of wealth. The poor man stood aghast at the display of wealth. Here correct answer ki hobo? Here correct answer ki hobo? Option number 1 hobo correct answer. Mount rakhibo embarrassed. Embarrassed hobo correct answer. Mount rakhibo. Question number 10. He received the accolade he deserved so well. Accolade ki synonym ki hobo? He received the accolade he deserved so well. Option keta pori lobo apnaloke. Here correct answer ki hobo? He received the accolade he deserved so well. Accolade synonym hobo honor. Honor hobo correct answer. Mot rakhibo option number 1. Honor hobo correct answer. Question number 11 hobo. He is a good looking but inspired young man. He is a good looking but inspired young man. Inspired young man. Ki hobo? Option keta pori lobo. Yare correct answer hobo. He is a good looking but inspired young man. Yare option number 4 hobo correct answer. Lacking in sprite. Mount rakhibo lacking in sprite. Question number 12 say he had insidiously wormed his way into her affection. He had insidiously wormed his way into her affection. Yare correct answer ki hobo? Option keta pori lobo. Insidiously synonym ki hobo? Yare correct answer hobo option number 2. In a secret manner. Mount rakhibo in a secret manner. Eta share koribo onugroh kori video tu apunaloke. Question number 13. The inexorable demand of the worker brought the company to a closure. Ki hobo? The inexorable demand of the worker brought the company to a closure. Yare option keta pori lobo apnaloke. Yare correct answer ki hobo? Option number 2. Relentless. Relentless hobo correct answer. Option number 2. Question number 14. The acerbic remarks of the manager were unwarranted. Acerbic or ki hobo? Synonym ki hobo? The acerbic remarks of the manager were unwarranted. Ki hobo? Yare correct answer ki hobo? Option number 1 hobo correct answer. Bitter. Mount rakhibo bitter hobo acerbic or synonym. Acerbic or synonym hol bitter. Question number 15. We must prevent the proliferation of nuclear weapons. Proliferation or ki hobo? Synonym ki hobo? Option keta pori lobo. Proliferation or ki hobo? Synonym ki hobo? Option number 2 hobo correct answer. Increase. Mount rakhibo increase hobo correct answer. Question number 16 আছে the debate has instigated a full official inquiry into the incident. কি হ'ব 16 number আছে the debate has instigated a full official inquiry into the incidents. Option কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব ইয়াৰে correct answer কি হ'ব ইয়াৰে correct answer হ'ব option number 4 cost মনত ৰাখিব option number 4 হ'ব correct answer cost. Question number 17 the worker were full of apologies for the new policy of the management. apologies কি হ'ব synonym কি হ'ব apologies option কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব apologies synonym কি হ'ব সমাৰ্থক শব্দ কি হ'ব এটা শেয়াৰ কৰিব আপোনালোকে অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি যদি শেয়াৰ কৰা নাই তেতিয়ালৈকে এটা শেয়াৰ কৰি দিয়ক ভিডিওটো অপচন নম্বৰ 1 হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ approval হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ মনত ৰাখিব apologies synonym. Question number 18 her ostensible claim marks a deep-seated fear. Ostensible কি হ'ব synonym কি হ'ব her ostensible claim marks a deep-seated fear. কি হ'ব ostensible synonym কি হ'ব option number 2 হ'ব correct answer apparent হ'ব correct answer মনত ৰাখিব. Question number 19 হ'ব 19 আছে Sonu is an inveterate liar. Sonu is an inveterate liar. কি হ'ব ইয়াৰে correct answer option কেইটা পঢ়ি ল'ব আপোনালোকে Sonu is an inveterate liar. ইয়াৰে option number 2 হ'ব correct answer habitual হ'ব correct answer মনত ৰাখিব habitual. Last আছে question number 20 Rahul was amazed at how affable his new employer was. কি হ'ব affable কি synonym কি হ'ব Rahul was amazed at how affable his new employer was. Option number 2 হ'ব correct answer polite হ'ব affable কি synonym. So আজি 20টা question আলোচনা কৰিলো ভিডিও